This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathleen DuPont. Beautiful villa in the preserves at Palm Air. This home welcomes you through a lush landscaped path to an iron gate and tiled open patio to your front door. This floor plan has unique open style with 2 master suites. The eat-in kitchen is large and inviting with white cabinets, granite counters and opens to large great room/dining area. Enjoy an early morning coffee on the screen-tiled lanai with garden view to start your day. The convenient location is walking distance to community heated pool. It is also located next to Palm Air Country Club, which has 36 holes of golf and tennis, restaurant, pool, and exercise equipment. The club offers many types of memberships but not required to join. Close to airport, Newark Mall, many restaurants and theaters. Hurry, this one won't last. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen DuPont at 941-350-4995.